Okay, so today we will create one more program that is to generate all permutations of a string which are palindrome as well. Okay. So this is the name of the function partition. Okay, and after that, like, we require this palindrome as well to check the the permutated strings are palindrome or not. So here we will pass our string. Okay, so let's create this function, this partition function. We know first we have to put this condition if we know input dot length is equals to 0. In that case, we have to output the solution. Okay, and simply return. We don't need to do anything. Okay, if this condition is false, in that case, we will first create one loop. I is equals to 1, and then input dot length. So we have to run it from the one index till the last, till the length of the string, length of the input string. Yes. Okay. Then we will check if the first substring is palindrome or not. We will check like this: input dot substring now 0, I. Okay, here we have to pass the control of this palindrome. We will implement this function, this method later. Okay, but for right now, let's say we got to know this this substring is palindrome. Then we will pass this value down on the partition. Okay, we have to reduce our input like this without substring from I. Just let me complete this. Then we have to pass this substring here. And one more thing I want to tell you, like this loop is starting from the index number 1 till the one one more index of the string. Till the length of the string. Okay. So here, if we are passing 0, 1, that means it will fetch only 0th character. Okay. If I is equals to 2, that means it will fetch 0 and its first index character. Okay. Let me implement the is palindrome method. Okay. L equals to 0, now equals to what? Else dot length minus 1. Okay. While L is less than R, we will check else dot caret L is not equals to else dot caret R. If this is the case, we have to return the false. Otherwise, we will increment the L, decrease the R, and after the loop, if let's say if we reach the if L is equals to the middle, if L reaches to the middle of the string and R also reaches to the middle of the string, then even until then, this condition is false. Then here we will return true. Now let's run this code. Okay, so we got our output.